Hi guys, welcome back. Today we have another unboxing to do. This is another WPL box. This has taken 15 days from China all the way to the UK. Perfect condition, as you would expect. Let's get it open. Nicely wrapped, some nice stickers. And in the box we have body only, which is the C54 for the LC80. As you can see, no damage on this box whatsoever. Very well packed. Well done, WPL. In the box we have the roof rack and the roof lights. We have headlight and the two bumpers. They go from there. We've got the dashboards, rear bumper by the looks of it, and the body itself. Looking very good, very well detailed, as most of you already seen it elsewhere on other YouTube videos. Everything I can say is well done, WPL. I mean, a lot of companies do detailed stuff, but it's very expensive. Honestly, for 35 quid, this is well worth the money. This is going to go on my C14. That's the only C series I have so far, apart from the C44, which doesn't work on this. On that note, this is my donor chassis for the C54. Once again, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. See you next time.